In today's video, we are going to cover how to switch between TurboTax accounts. If you are currently signed in and need to move to a different TurboTax account, the process starts from inside the account you are already using. Look to the left-hand menu and select Sign Out. This will log you out of the current TurboTax session and return you to the sign-in area. Once the sign-in screen appears, take a moment to look for the section labeled Other Actions. This area includes options for account access that go beyond a standard sign-in. In that section, click Use a different account. This is the option that tells TurboTax you do not want to return to the account that was just active. After that, you will be taken to a sign-in field where TurboTax asks for account information. In the field labeled Phone Number, Email, or User ID, enter the sign-in detail for the other TurboTax account you want to open. Use the account identifier connected to that specific profile and make sure you enter the correct one before moving forward. When that information is in place, click Sign In. TurboTax will then move to the next screen where it asks for the Intuit password connected to the account you selected. On the Enter Your Intuit Password screen, type the password for the account you want to switch to. Be sure the password matches the same account information you entered on the previous screen. With the password entered, click Continue to complete the sign-in. TurboTax may take a moment to load the account after you submit the password. Once the sign-in finishes, you will be inside the other TurboTax account instead of the one you started in. At that point, you can access the TurboTax information associated with that account. That includes the files, details, and account-specific tax information tied to the sign-in you just used. If you manage more than one account, this is the point where you should confirm that the information on screen matches the account you intended to open. This process is useful when more than one TurboTax account has been used on the same device, especially if the sign-in page tries to return you to a previous account automatically. Choosing Use a different account avoids that loop and lets you enter the other account directly. Thanks for watching. You have now signed out of one TurboTax account and signed in to the other TurboTax account